Now, I can definitely get used to this setting as the FIM Motocross World Championship heads east for the Asian leg of our world tour, as we're about to embark on a double header in Lombok, Indonesia. Now, with its beautiful sandy beaches and incredible landscape, Lombok is home to around 4 million people, and the circuit itself is on the grounds of a disused airport of Salaparang. This is going to be the second time we're here in Lombok, but the Indonesian islands have hosted 12 MXGP events in total. I simply cannot wait to see what this weekend has to offer at the MXGP of West Nusa Tenggara.